Hey everyone, this is Pharaoh Silver, the Pharaoh of Beer Money Finance, back with another Atlas Earth video. So as I mentioned last month, I am finally going to be separating the month in review from my Atlas Earth progress and just making them two separate videos, because my Atlas Earth progress has nothing to do with the Beer Money portfolio, so it kind of makes sense that I'm going to be separating them. The reason why I'm doing videos in such a frequent spot the last few weeks was because there's been a ton of topics that are related to Atlas Earth and other things that I just didn't have time to do elsewhere. I'm going on a trip Friday to DC on a family emergency, and I didn't have any other time to put this one up, my Atlas Earth progress video. Last month was 3 years since I started Atlas Earth. After multiple wins on minigames, challenges, cashback offers taken, and tons of pretzels at Annie Ann's, my Atlas Earth account has officially hit the 3-year mark on January 6th, 2025. So we're a little more than 3 years in now, and I thought I would show a little bit of progress, currently sitting at where I'm at on February the 3rd, 2025. Now, I will mention this is actually the night of February the 2nd, 2025 that I have been recording this, but currently I'm sitting at 2,229 parcels. 1,145 commons, 677 rares, 317 epics, and 90 legendary parcels. I actually had another really bad drought of a lack of legendary parcels in January, all the way up until the last few days, where the last 15 parcels, 4 of them were legendary. It didn't do too much of a change to my percentile, though. I did crater out at around the 0.45% distribution rate at my lowest, and I have recovered a little bit to 0.81%, but it's still in the lowest percentile, unfortunately. Hopefully my luck with legendaries will continue past the last week or so, so I can actually get up there past this lowest percentile. Globally on the leaderboard, I have fallen significantly to 250th, nationally 232nd, but state-wise I am holding steady at 7th, and am starting to battle Ergo for the number 6 spot. I've also got 2,097 parcels in Canapolis, 100 in Landis, and 25 in Enochville, holding my mayorships in each of these areas. I believe I have brought Canapolis back to the second most expensive city in the state behind Raleigh, but I will confirm it here in this screenshot if I did or not. My editing will let you know if I did in fact pass Charlotte for the number 2 spot in the state. And yes, I'm aware a lot of people are looking at me like, why would I do something like this? And the reason why I'm doing it is because I don't want to take cities or counties from Beer Money Network members if I can, and I want to be sure that I can frequently access areas that I have mayorships in. The game aspect of Atlas Earth to me is second priority to the earning aspect, and I earn more when I'm not saving up Atlas bucks and I'm just putting down the parcels wherever, rather than just trying to wait and build up Atlas bucks to put it somewhere else. For example, if I go and save up, 30,000 Atlas bucks to go get Gastonia, that would mean that I would have to build up about 8-9 months worth of Atlas bucks, and that would mean that I'd be out several months of earnings from said parcels, and yes, that earnings can quite add up, actually. I usually don't save up more than 500 Atlas bucks these days, usually only for a minigame. And most of the time, if I'm doing 400, 500, it's for Racer or golf. Second, one of my quirks is wanting to build a connected empire that starts here, home base in Canapolis, and expands out if I can. And of the areas next to me, they're all taken by strong members in this state. Heretic War has Concord to the south, and he's got like 700 there. Glaston has Rowan County to the north, he's got a few hundred there. I mean, there is Harrisburg, but I don't think that's connected. I think I got to take Concord for that one. So basically, I just took the 2 that I could, which was Landis and Enochville. And third, as more active players get into the game, it's going to get harder and harder to keep multiple mayorships and governorships. Take an example. Let's look at Stealth G605, former president of Atlas Earth. He's lost a significant amount of his mayorships in the last year because he just can't go everywhere to defend them. If I tried to take Charlotte, and someone managed to take Charlotte, say Count Maximus decided to take it, for example, imagine having to drive 30 minutes every single time I want to add more parcels. It's better to me to just get parcels near me and my area, and again, start earning money faster. Finally, let's talk about how much I'm currently making on Atlas Earth. So, as mentioned, I believe last month, I had stated that I now am boosting pretty close to 24 hours a day. I might be missing like a combined 1 hour per month, maybe, because I sleep in a little bit. But outside of that, like, I'm able to get the most that I can now with the Explorers Club because of that 2 extra hours of boosting that we get. And that does help things a lot, actually. Let me show you basically what I'm making here, the example here. So I'm currently making, if you can see the monthly down here, it's $70.32 per month right now. That's 74.5 a day, and that's $24.82 per 32-hour super rent boost event. Now, if I were boosting at 22 hours a day without the Explorer Club, you see here that my earnings drop to $65.40 a month. Now, yes, that's only a $5 difference and does not make up for the $50, but there are other things involved too, like the extra spins on the wheel. And yeah, so also the daily logins as well that help you grow up another 30 to 40 parcels every single month. Now, let me go over here to the profits, and we're here in the profits, as I mentioned, going back to 24. Let me go to 24. I am sitting at $70.32 a month. We are going to subtract $45.83 a month now, which is the pro rata for the annual Explorers Club, basically. And thus, my monthly profit is up to $24.49 a month, which puts me about on par with getting 150 or 220 parcels around that area and not having the Explorer Club. The downside of buying the $550 annual Explorer Club package, though, is that it's going to take a little bit longer for me to get back to break even. Originally, I was planning on getting back to break even right around June, July, and we're pushing that back now to October because the amount of money that I've been held back goes from $93 back to being $643 back now. So yes, I got up to under $100 below zero. We're now below 600. We're now well below 600. It's like 643 at the moment. So yeah, it's going to take me a little longer to break even, but on the other side of this year, I should have more profit as a result. To me, I feel like if you're playing the long game, this was a more efficient option than having to do the Explorer Club monthly. Not to mention I have more earning potential with the Explorer Club as well. Now, I did mention I was going to forego it altogether February and March in an attempt to come back when I've made a little bit more profit. That was before I found out about the annual Explorer Club, though. And again, I do feel like it is a more efficient way for me at this point to be using the Explorer Club to get more parcels and thus grow a little faster. And eventually, over time, I'll be making more money out of it, $100, $150 a month. Am I wrong on this? Maybe. But also, you know, it's a little bit more entertaining for the channel as well. I had mentioned that I probably wouldn't even be using Explorer Club if it wasn't for Beer Money Engine to begin with. So anyway, my goals for March are to start building back from my deficit by getting $70+ for the month. If all goes well, I'm looking at an October timeframe, as I said, when I finally break even. So in the comments section, let me know about your own progress as well with Atlas Earth. That's the video, everyone. Take a look at the latest Beer Money review on Caden below. Well, it doesn't show up right here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Beer Money Engine. The month in review coming up on Wednesday, everyone. I will see you then. Pharaoh Silver signing out.